Feeling anxious or stressed? Now imagine opening an app that listens, offers comfort, and guides you through your emotions in real time. That's not science fiction. That's AI and mental health, working together to help people feel supported every day. Hi, I'm Cynthia, your digital guide to the world of AI. Today, we're exploring how artificial intelligence is being used to support mental health, where it shines and where it still falls short. Mental health is deeply human. AI can't replace therapists, but it can make care more accessible and personal. Here are 5 ways AI is already helping people around the world. AI chatbots are available 24/7 to talk with users who need a safe space to share what they feel. They can't provide full therapy, but they listen, respond gently, and help people feel less alone when no one else is available. AI can study how someone texts, speaks, or even writes to notice signs of sadness, stress, or anxiety. It's like a smart emotional journal that recognizes patterns and reminds users to take breaks or reach out for help. In many areas, it's hard to find a therapist. AI tools can screen for symptoms, guide users toward resources, and even connect them to professionals online. That means more people can get help faster, especially those who live far from clinics or can't afford regular therapy. AI also powers mindfulness and relaxation tools. It can recommend breathing exercises, personalized meditations, or short reminders based on your stress level and daily habits. It's like having a digital wellness coach in your pocket. But here's the important part: mental health data is sensitive. Developers must ensure that all personal information stays private, secure, and used only with full consent. The goal is not just smart technology, but ethical technology that protects human trust. Would you ever talk to an AI about your mental health? Or maybe you already use a wellness chatbot or meditation app? Share your experience in the comments. Your story might help someone else. So, can AI help with mental health? Yes, not as a replacement for humans, but as a powerful partner for awareness, reflection, and daily care. In our next episode, we'll explore how AI is transforming education and learning, especially for students with unique needs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss it. Until then, take care of your mind and keep exploring.